When you search for dash cams, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to get the real deal, you've got to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Sol 4K Dual Dash Cam. The Sol 4K plus 4K dash cam caught my eye right away. With an affordable price of $164.04 and a free 128GB memory card included, it's a solid option. If you want crystal clear evidence on the road, this is worth a serious look. What stands out is its ability to record in 4K resolution for both the front and rear cameras. This means you can actually zoom in on a license plate or identify a face from over 30 feet away, which is crucial if you ever find yourself in a dispute. Plus, it has a 170-degree wide-angle lens that captures more of the road, ensuring you don't miss anything important. The built-in GPS is another great feature. It logs your speed and location, adding another layer of evidence if needed. Now, some users have mentioned that the installation can be tricky, especially if you're not tech-savvy. Here's the thing, though. If you're willing to take the time to set it up properly, the benefits far outweigh this minor inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable dash cam that captures. Product number 2, Rove R2 4K Dual Dash Cam. Next up is the Rove R2 4K Dual Dash Cam, also priced at $164.04 with a free 128GB card. What caught my attention here is its Starvis 2 sensor that provides excellent night vision. If you're driving at night frequently, this is worth a serious look. The dual recording capabilities of 4K at the front and 1080p at the rear mean you're not just getting great footage, but you're also covered from both angles. The image quality is impressive. In low light conditions, the Starvis 2 sensor comes into play, reducing blur and ensuring clear details. Plus, with 5G Wi-Fi, downloading your footage is super fast, up to 20 megabytes per second. But here's a common complaint. Some users wished it had a longer battery life for parking mode. Now, I'll be real with you. If your primary concern is continuous recording while parked, you might need an additional hardwire kit for that. It's a small investment for peace of mind. This is ideal for anyone who prioritizes high-quality night recordings. Skip this if you want a straightforward plug-and-play experience. For what you get, the value is impressive. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want enhanced features. Product number 3, Red Tiger F7NP Dash Cam. The Red Tiger F7NP is another contender, priced the same at $164.04. It's got a sleek design with a Starvis 2 sensor that caught my eye. If you want high-quality footage in any lighting, this is worth a serious look. This dash cam captures stunning 4K video up front and 1080p at the rear, ensuring you get all the details covered. The advanced WDR technology helps balance light and dark areas, giving you clearer footage, especially at night. The built-in GPS is a nice touch too. It records your speed and location, which can be crucial in case of an accident. However, some users reported that the app experience can be buggy at times. Here's the thing. While that's frustrating, once you get the hang of it, it does offer a lot of useful features for managing recordings. This is perfect for anyone looking for superior image quality and night performance. Skip this if app performance is a deal breaker for you. For the quality you get, it's a great value. Now, if you want something that offers even more camera angles, let's take a look at the next product. Product number 4, Sol Triple Channel Dash Cam. Next on the list is the Sol 4K plus 4K plus 1080p dash cam, also at $164.03. This model really caught my attention with its 3 cameras. If you need comprehensive coverage, this is worth a serious look. With the ability to record 4K in the front and rear, plus 1080p inside the cabin, you're covered from all angles. The 170-degree front and 150-degree rear views help ensure you capture everything around your vehicle. The cabin camera is fantastic for rideshare drivers or families as it adds extra security. Plus, the built-in GPS gives you all the necessary data when reviewing footage. A downside some users mentioned is that the installation can be quite involved due to the extra camera. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about safety and need that extra coverage, it's worth the setup effort. This is ideal if you want complete surveillance of your vehicle's environment. Skip this if you want something super simple. Given the features, the price is definitely justified. If you're looking for something that's easier to install but still has great features, the last option might suit you. Product number 5, IIWEY N5 360-degree dashcam, priced at $126.18. What drew me in was its ability to capture 360 degrees of your surroundings. If you want complete visibility, this is worth a serious look. This camera records in 1080p across all 4 channels, covering front, rear, and both sides. With IR lamps for night vision, it's a solid choice for low-light situations. The built-in Wi-Fi and app control make it easy to manage recordings and settings from your phone, which is a nice modern touch. However, a downside is that it lacks GPS functionality, which some users find disappointing. But if you're mainly focused on capturing all-around footage, that might not matter as much. This is perfect for those who want a full view of what's happening around their vehicle. Skip this if GPS tracking is a must for you. For the price, it offers solid coverage.
So to wrap it up, we've looked at the Teransol 4K Dual, Rove R2 4K, Red Tiger F7NP, Teransol Triple Channel, and the IIWEY N5. Each has its strengths, whether you're after night vision, triple recording, or 360-degree coverage. Choose one that fits your specific needs, and you'll have peace of mind on the road.